Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my art channel. I am working on a previously used canvas today. This is a 24 by 24 inch canvas and it is a deep edge, and you can see that I did a pearl pour experiment on this canvas and it was a lot of fun, but I'm going to use this canvas for something else. I was watching my friend Taneva Baker's channel, and she is so brilliant at neutral color palettes. I decided I wanted to get better at that because I use a lot of blues and purples and a lot more color, and I should be better at using neutrals because neutral color paintings sell really well. So I like to sell my work. So I'm going to play around and see if I can develop my skills with these neutral color palettes. My last video I did a cloudy Nautilus Pour in warm neutrals. I used a burnt umber and some gold and copper and that kind of thing. This time I'm going with the cool neutrals. This is a mix of golden heavy body Payne's Gray and Amsterdam Lamp Black, and the Golden's Payne's Gray is very blue, actually. It dries very dark, but I wanted to make sure that this color appears dark, but acts as a blue, so when it interacts with the other color. So I'm using that. I'm also using a cloudy mix here. This is a mix of Artists Loft Soft Body White and DecoArt Satin Enamels, and you can see that my consistency is very thin. It just barely leaves a little bit of a mound when it comes off of the stir stick. On a scale of 5 to 1, with 5 being the thickest and 1 being the thinnest, I would call this probably a 2. So all of my paints are that same consistency. So I have that Payne's Gray, that darkened Payne's Gray, and the cloudy white color. And then I have 3 This Little Piggy pigments that I'm playing with today. This one is Storm, and this one is Hammerhead, and this one is King of Pain. This is a beautiful silvery blue color, the Hammerhead. The Payne's Gray is a dark metallic gray, which is beautiful. And then the Storm is more of a medium tone gray, but it has a bit of a gold flash to it, which is going to be really interesting to add that little bit of warmth into the color palette. And what I'm going to do today is a flip cup landscape pour. I'm teaching this technique at the next Fluid Art Boutique conference in Washington, D.C., which is August 6th, 7th, and 8th, and I'm really excited about it. So I want to get a little more practice before I go and start teaching the class. I do have also some white chromacryl base coat that I'm going to put down here, and I'm going to cover my entire surface in this color, and then I'm going to do a series of flip cups, and I'm going to tilt them out one at a time. And I'm going to use my Payne's Gray in a really interesting way because I want to add in, kind of along the horizon, I want to add in some land and then create a little bit of a layered look to the land, so it maybe has some little bays coming in on it. So that's the plan. So I'm going to put on some music for you while I play, and let's flip some cups.
They say you should try to find yourself a bit stuck in the valley. They say never try to hide yourself, but I spent all of my money on California. Did I arrive too late? Did I make you wait? California. Now tell me where you've been and everything you've seen. California. Did I arrive too late? Did I make you wait? California. Now tell me where you've been and everything you've seen.
I've been told you will go away to a place where you're not near me anymore. Try and save me, try and break my fall. My chance was blown, and you were on your way. Gone with the wind, but in my thoughts you still remain. Try and save me, try and break my fall. Come a little bit closer. Would you have me back over once again? On and on and on. Dwell till I'm torn apart. On and on. Stabs going through my heart. Try and save me. Try and break my fall. At night we touch. Your hand goes through my hair. You say the words, but it's nothing but a dream. Drug me into sleep to break my fall. Come a little bit closer. Would you have me back over once again? On and on and on. Dwell till I'm torn apart. On and on. Stabs going through my heart. Try and save me. Try and break my fall. On and on. Dwell till I'm torn apart. On and on. Stabs going through my heart. Try and save me. Try and break my fall. And I could never dream another dream. And I could never fight another fight. 'Cause when I dream of you, another face comes through, and it won't go away. On and on. Till I'm torn apart. On and on. Stabs going through
Well, despite the bugs that keep trying to land in it, I think this is one of my favorite seascapes I've ever done. I think this turned out beautifully. So the TLPs in with the cloud mix, beautiful stormy sky, embellished by that little bug that flew in right there. Yes, that turns out beautiful. I can't wait to see how it dries. And my little land mass on the horizon. I don't know if you noticed, but I blew out with my straw the outside edge to give it lots of interest, but also to kind of blend that line along the edge there, so it looked like maybe the clouds were gathering around the land there. And I added quite a bit to my Payne's gray. I added quite a bit of the white and mixed it together. So this is a little more gray, this is a little darker, and then this is the darkest part. So I've always noticed that in a landscape or seascape, the further away it gets from your point of perspective, the more gray it gets. So the darkest color is always closest to you and it gets progressively more gray. So I was trying to add a little bit of depth. I think that worked out really well to give it that kind of perspective of distance. And that TLP hammerhead, which is kind of blue in the cup, but on the canvas, it's a very silvery blue. And I think that looks beautiful in the water section there. Yeah, I'm really happy with this. I hope you guys like it too. Let's see how this dries. Keep your fingers crossed, no more bugs.